Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Estrada and today I'm going to talk to you about metabolism from Chapter 1 and the characteristics of life. What is metabolism? Metabolism is the collection of chemical reactions in cells that support life. Metabolism is also the sum of all catabolic and anabolic reactions in the body. Metabolism is the synthesis of complex molecules in living organisms from simpler ones together with the storage of energy, which it also builds up bone, muscle, mass, and new protein, fats, and nucleic acids. Catabolism is the breakdown of complex molecules in living organisms to form simpler ones together with the release of energy. And it also breaks down carbohydrates, lipids, proteins from ingested food into smaller parts. Some examples of metabolism the reaction is the one that takes place when a person eats a spoonful of sugar. An example of this process is the digestion of protein, which is then broken down into amino acids that a person's body can absorb and use through the metabolic process, storing glycogen in their liver for energy. Also, because of metabolism, our body needs energy to do everything, from moving to thinking and growing. Cellular respiration. Glucose and oxygen are transformed into carbon dioxide, water, and then transformed into energy. Metabolism is one of the most important things in the body. Well, this is the end of my presentation, and thank you so much for watching.